For everyone that's new to the channel, hello, my name is David. I started a 360 photo booth business and I've been documenting my entire journey. Within that journey, I've been able to help people buy their first 360 photo booth. I myself bought the 100 centimeter booth that holds up to like 5 people, but I usually like keeping it at 4 people just to kind of make sure my stuff don't break too quickly. And if it does break, that's cool, I guess, because I have a 2-year warranty on that 360 photo booth I bought. Now, this business has been great. People have been joining this channel because they're also starting the 360 photo booth journey, and I'm very proud of everybody who's bought a 360 photo booth. Things that I'm doing to help the community out is I'm giving out a U200 light at the end of every month. All you have to do is just show me that you bought a 360 photo booth. Send me a screenshot of your purchase. Guys, you guys that have been following me for a while, that subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the love. It's comments like these right here that I wake up to, that I really soak in. And these type of comments are the type of comments that remind me that I am doing something positive in my life, and with my efforts and with my energy and with my level of creativity, I am helping more than just myself. So as a reminder, I made this channel to start a 360 photo booth community, and in this community I want 360 photo booth operators. I want everyone to help each other out. That's the kind of world that I want to be living in, is in a society where we're really helping each other out, and we're not all about being selfish and all about just gimme, and they want to take, but no one wants to help one another. So if you guys have any questions, don't put them on Instagram. On Instagram, no one can see your questions. Put your questions on the YouTube channel so that other people can benefit from your question and also benefit from my answer. And this is how we build a 360 photo booth community. I love you guys, and I really want you guys to help me out build this channel, because I come to the realization I cannot do it myself. I can't build a strong, great, humongous 360 photo booth community of operators. I can't do it on my own. I need you guys' support. I need you guys' help. Now, what would be cool is if one of you guys or a few of you guys wanted to share like your first event, like the ups and downs, just the overall highlights of how your event went. And also, if you guys already have your 360 photo booth and have had it for about, let's say, over a month, and you haven't got any calls or any bookings, holler at me, interact with me. I want to see what we can do different to get you guys booking and get you guys going, because I want you guys to succeed. This is why I created the channel, because I want to help people with their 360 photo booth journey, and I want to help you guys succeed. All right, so remember to post your questions here on the platform. I'll see you guys soon, okay? I got some stuff coming up for you guys. Some of this stuff is going to amaze you guys, going to blow you guys away. I'm always doing something. I'm always working. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.